it will give you real papers and not the fake papers that ChatGPT gives you, right? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will tell you guys how can you easily conduct literature review. In one of my previous videos, I did tell you that how could you use Google Scholar and other third-party AI to shortlist the papers that are relevant to your research area, right? But now Google Scholar has introduced its own AI-powered search engine, which is Scholar Labs. So you could just easily use this website or AI to filter out the papers that are relevant to your research area, right? So it's very easy. All you need to do is ask Scholar something related to your paper, right? Say for example, in our past videos we have discussed that how could you look for the papers about digital marketing and the gaps in literature, right? So let's try to find out the papers using Scholar Lab. So just write that find papers regarding digital marketing and the recent literature gap, right? So now automatically this lab or this AI would give you all the papers that have been published on Google Scholar regarding the query you have added over there, right? Now you could see that it has given us a paper from Journal of Small Business and Marketing. So it has been published in 2023, and here digital marketing capability and mystery of business capability. So the good part, or what I want to highlight here, is now it really gives you future research directions that are mentioned in the paper clearly here as an excerpt, right? You know why it's important? Because now you don't really need to open a PDF of the paper from this link, but rather just look at the overview of future research directions directly on this page, right? It makes your life very much easier because you could decide that whether this topic is relevant for you or no, right? So this is how you can really look at the research areas or research gaps, and perhaps you could ask everything to this AI and it will give you real papers and not the fake papers that ChatGPT gives you, right? So say for example, let's add another query. Give me recent papers published in 2025 regarding digital marketing pros, right? Now we have made our query more specific because we want papers published only in 2025, and that too about digital marketing pros, right? Now it will give us all the papers published only in 2025, and that too about our subject, like benefits or positives of digital marketing, right? Now here you could see clearly it has mentioned our research query, right? What was that was advantages of digital marketing. So it has made, I think, our life very much easier because now we could directly skim the paper. Okay, if this is relevant to my study, yeah, I will opt this, or I will download the PDF further. If not, then I'll just ignore it and scroll down and see if other papers are more relevant, right? You could see that benefits for MSMEs and positive impact. So it gives you a very detailed results, right? So if you are running through all those papers that are irrelevant or maybe struggling to find very specific papers, Google Scholar Labs is the right tool for you. I hope this helps you. I will see you guys in the next video.